Yeah, so my name is Gareth Baker and I'm Managing Director of Leeds Plastic Engineering. Leeds Plastic Engineering was founded in 2015, March 2015. We were down in a little small unit near centre of Leeds, just a bit bigger than a double garage really, just with one machine that I ran, just a sole employee of a limited company. And we've just grown from there over the last 7 years to where we've got like 5 CNC machines now. We've got a fabrication department, and we've got 3 office staff. We've got an inspection department with 2 CNC machines in, and approximately 10 staff. Our specialization is the CNC machine and fabrication of engineering grade plastics. We also CNC machine aluminium. It's quite a broad range of industries that we work for. So it includes, like, we do a lot for food industry, packaging, automation, oil and gas, printing, textiles. We do aerospace as well, medical instruments. Materials wise, it's all engineering grade plastics, a lot of thermoplastics. So things like nylons, acetyls, perspex, acrylic. So I will use Statii for doing inquiries, checking status of work in progress on shop floor, reviewing jobs, looking at the shop floor data capture, see how long someone's been on a job or if it's overrun. The software that you use to run your company, really. That's what I describe it as. Obviously it's MRP software. When I first started this company for a few years, I used just an accounting package. You couldn't create works orders. You didn't have the shop floor data capture. Not everything was linked up. So it was becoming pretty difficult, to manage all paperwork. Also, we have a lot of parts that are similar or in a family. It's easy on Statii to find them parts, copy the data that you've already got and then use that to generate a new price. You can do that really quickly. We wanted something that were going to be easier than what we already had, in terms of finding data, looking at quotes, linking things up. One of the things as well we wanted to go for is ISO 9001 accreditation, and every time we've gone and done a yearly review on that, Statii always comes up trumps with people who are assessors, because you can just go right from the inquiry right through to invoice and everything's on there. We looked at a few different software packages, and we just thought that Statii was more user friendly really. Once you've had a 5-minute tutorial, it's not that difficult to sort of like see what's going on. Whereas some of them, I think they're just really complicated, or too complicated, and they become more of a hindrance than a time saver. You don't have to be using software and be really knowledgeable about the software to actually get in there and find the information that you want. So that was key for us really. If we're not, last thing at night, first thing in the morning, there's always someone there who's answered the phone and got on it straight away for us. So that was a big thing as well. It's sort of like the personal service that you get. We started, there's always someone answering the phone who seems knowledgeable about the software and the problem that you've got. So that's been a big plus for it. Everything's linked, it's all there in one place, and you can just bring it up and file it away, and it's always going to be there. So I would have said that's the number one. Yeah, number 2, just how easy it is to use. Probably number 3, like the black and red numbers. Like if you've got a red number on there, let's say on your sales order you've got 3 reds. That always it's a bit of a right. What's going on here? wakes you up to say, right, I'm going to sort this out, what's going on. And it's a bit of a competition to try and get your reds, your red numbers down. So yeah, that's a really good idea, I think. So yeah, them three is what I would say. But Statii looked after all that for us. They did all that work for us. We had a suppliers list, we had a customer list. They imported all that in for us. We didn't really have to do much work to get it going. They did it all for us, and we, like I say, we just had a little bit of training and then got into it straight away. You can really get a snapshot of how efficient you're being. You know, you can go in on Statii. You can go into as much detail as you want. You know, in terms of quoting, sales orders, invoices, deliveries. You can run that many reports at push of a button that you can really sort of like delve deep into how your company's performing. You know, whether it's on-time deliveries or I don't know, NCRs, or how many inquiries turn into quotes. You can just report it and you can discuss it, and you can then you can report it again in 3 months' time and see if you've got any better. So any part of your business that you want to focus on, you can really dig down deep and get the data. I've actually referred quite a few people to Statii, and all I say to them is, it's really easy to use. If you want to, you just put all the information in at the start, and then you don't have to worry about what else. Just do all the work in the inquiry stage, and then the rest of it is just push of a button. If you're looking for something that's going to cause you the least hassle possible in your daily life, and for a small company like us anyway, you don't have to be worrying about software going down or something being too complicated or having to train your new employees for hours and hours on a system. Go for Statii. Like I say, I've used other ones at other companies and they don't come anywhere near, I don't think, anyway.